Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure Gboard is current and active. Open Play Store or App Store, update, then go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Languages and Input, and set Gboard as the default keyboard. Once done, close background apps to avoid input conflicts, and make sure you're testing in an app with standard text fields. This gets you straight to the first actionable steps without extra setup, so you can focus on layout and display changes immediately. Next, open the Gboard app and tap Settings, then Preferences. You'll see toggles for one-handed mode and floating keyboard. Turn those off so the keyboard can occupy the full bottom area. Then choose the layout option or keyboard height to maximum. This forces keys to stretch edge to edge. Make sure to test in both portrait and landscape if you need full screen behavior across orientations. If keys feel small, increase keyboard height incrementally until typing is comfortable and fills the screen as desired. To finish, open several apps and type to confirm Gboard now fills the screen bottom and behaves consistently. If the keyboard still appears floating or compact, reopen Gboard settings and reset preferences to defaults, then reapply the full width choices. If problems persist, restart your device, and as a last resort, clear Gboard cache or reinstall the app. One key troubleshooting tip: if another keyboard overlay app is active, disable it. Conflicting overlays are the most common reason full screen layout won't apply.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.